Good morning, children. Beta, last class we have studied till exercise 20.2. Today we are starting exercise 20.3, and what is the first question in that? See beta, there are 130 voters. Okay, 50 of them voted yes. What percent voted no? So how you will do this question? See that total voters is how many beta? 130. Voted yes, given to you 50. Then voted no is equal to 130 minus 50 is equal to 80. But we have to find that percent of voters voted no. Okay. So for that what you will do? Voted no upon total voters. Okay. Multiplied by 100. In this way you will get the percentage. So voted no. How many of them they voted no? 80. Total voters are how many beta? 130 or multiplied by 100. So see that, make them cancel. Okay, it will be beta 800 divided by 30. See that what will come? It will come beta percent sign will come after that. 61.5%. Okay, it will be 61.5%. Now come to the question number 2. See that beta, question number 2 now. Divide 20 marbles between Tanu and Manu. Total number of marbles are 20. You have to divide these marbles between Tanu and Manu so that Tanu gets 20%. Who's 20% beta? 20% of 20. And Manu gets 80% of 20. Okay. See that beta. Total number of marbles. Total number of marbles are how many beta? 20. Okay. Tanu gets, you see that na, 20% and 80%, both of them, if you will add them, they will get 100%. Okay, it means it's okay. Tanu gets how many beta? 20% of total number of marbles. Total number of marbles. Okay. Now see that 20% means 20 upon 100. Percent sign means divided by 100. Of means multiply. Total number of marbles are how many? 20. Now see that, make them cancel. This and this will become cancel. And this will also become cancel. How many marbles C will get beta? 2 2 ja 4 marbles. How many marbles C will get? Tanu will get 4 marbles. Tanu is equal to 4 marbles. Okay. Now see that Manu. Manu gets how many beta? 80% of marbles. 80% of marbles. Okay, 80% means beta 80 divided by 100. Of means multiply. Marbles mean total number of marbles are 20. Okay, so make it cancel. 8 2 ja 16. 16 marble. Who will get? Manu gets 18 marbles. So sorry, 16 marbles. If you will add them 16 plus 4, it is coming equal to 20. It means your answer is correct. Okay, it means your answer is correct. Now see that beta, question number 3rd. If angles of a triangles are in the ratio 1:3:5, find the value of each angles. Okay, what are beta angles? Let the angles of triangle are 1, don't write the angles of triangle are 1:3:5. Okay, then first angle will be beta how much? Because they are given in ratio, so one unknown ratio you will take along with them. Okay, ratio value, that is 1x. Second angle will be beta 3x, and third angle will be how much beta? 5x. Okay. Now along with that, take sum of the angles. Sum of the angles is equal to 1, 3 plus 1, 4, or 4 plus 5 beta 9x. Okay. And we know that in a triangle, sum of three angles is equal to how much beta? Three angles of a triangle is always equal to beta 180 degree. It means it is total value. So how you will find? So value of first angle is equal to first angle Okay, I am making formula first angle upon total value multiplied by 100. So in this way you will get the actual angle. First angle is how much beta? 1x upon total value is how much? Sum of the angles. Sum of the angles is how much beta? 9x. Or here it will not be because multiplied by total value. It means 180. Okay. Multiplied by total value, not 100 here, because we are not going to find percentage. We have to find the value of each angle. So in place of it will be total value, you can take the sum of angles. Okay, just wait. Now see that it will be with a first angle divided by sum of angles multiplied by total value. First angle is 1x. Sum of angles is 9x multiplied by 180. So it will be x and x will become cancel. So value of first angle is equal to so 1 upon 9, 9 2 ja 18, so 20. So 21 ja 20 degree will be the first angle, because angle, now you are finding the value of angle, that's why they will come in the degree form. Now second angle is equal to beta, same way second angle's value is how much? 3x. So put 3x, okay, upon sum of angles, how much it is coming? 9x. Okay, multiplied by total value is sum of the three angles is always equal to 180. Okay, so x and x will become cancel. 9 2 ja 18, 20, or 23 ja 60 degree will be the second angle. Okay, now third angle will be equal to beta, what is? 5x. So 5x upon 9x multiplied by 180 degree. So x and x will become cancel. 9 2 ja 18, 20, or 25 ja 100 degree. So if you will add them beta, obviously they will come, if they are coming equal to, their sum is coming equal to 180 degree, it means your answer is correct. Now you see that 100 plus 60 160, or plus 20 180. So this will be your answer, and you have done the question correctly. Okay, now come to the next, that is last question of the exercise. Now see that beta, last question. In a year, the cost of 1 liter petrol has gone up from 50 rupees to 70 rupees. Okay, by what percentage has the price gone up? You have to find that 50 to 70. Previously the petrol was 50 rupees liter, and afterward it has become 70 rupee liter. So what difference is coming between 50 to 70? 20 rupees difference is coming. You have to find that 20 rupees in the form of percentage, that how much percent of the petrol price hiked. Okay, so what you will do? Initial price, initial value is equal to 50 rupees. Okay, increase value is how much beta? Increase in value is how much? 70 rupees. So what you will find? Actual increase price. Actual increase in price will be increase value minus previous value. Okay. So increase value is how much, beta? See that increase value is 70 rupees. Okay. So increase in price is equal to 70 minus 50 is equal to 20 rupees. Now you have to find increase percent. Increase percent is equal to, beta, increase in price upon initial price multiplied by 100. So increase in price is how much, beta? 20 rupees. Previous value, initial value of petrol was how much? 50 rupees. Multiplied by 100, it will be increase percent. Increase percent. So 50 to the 100 or 20 to the 40% prices of the petrol have increased now. This will be your answer. Okay. So in this way, beta, your chapter number 20 has completed. Okay. And along with this, I am sending you the PDF of this chapter also. So you first complete your topic, and then in next class we will start chapter that is next, profit and loss. Okay. Thank you and have a good day to all of you.